Okay, let's look at our ingredients to make our smoked salmon fish curry. So I had a half salmon and I've sliced it up. I've got 4 big fillets and a little bit of small offcuts. So essentially for 4 you need 4 salmon fillets, and you need some smoked salmon for the final flavoring. So that's the meat. So as far as the other ingredients are concerned, we've got some oil, onion, garlic, ginger. We've got some curry leaves. If you cannot get hold of fresh or dried curry leaves, just leave that out completely and finish off with fresh coriander or cilantro. We've got some generic curry powder. I'll come back to that in a minute. And we've got some okra. I've just trimmed the ends of that, and that's it. I'm not chopping them up because I don't want my curry being slimy. Some tomatoes, some salt, and this is our tamarind juice that you would have seen in a previous lecture. And some salt as needed. Now the onion, garlic and ginger, I'm going to place in a chopper and chop them up finely to get a sort of a runny paste or finely chopped combination of the 3. But you can just grate it, crush that and finely chop the onions if you don't have a chopper at home. And then we've got some coconut milk. Here my coconut milk is organic, and therefore it's only got coconut milk and some water. And this says 400 mils, 400 grams. It's also, I believe, equivalent to 400 grams. So those are your ingredients. We come back to our curry powder here. Now this whole course is quick and easy weeknight curries. So go get any generic curry powder that you have access to at the shops. This one I've just freshly made. If you are interested in making, just like your panchpooran, if you are interested in making your own curry powder mix, I have given, together with this lecture, I will provide you with a downloadable recipe for 2 different types of curry powders, fish curry powder and meat curry powder. But you know, that's really completely up to you. Go get a shop bought one for this particular course. And that's it. Let's get cooking.